Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in the last video we discussed the edit part. So in this video we will go to the delete part. Okay. So before we delete, let me hide this one. Okay. So again we will start with URL, or we can start with Ajax also. So that moment when I will click on this delete button, what will happen? Okay. Before that, let me refresh this one. I didn't start my server, so let me start my server as well. Okay. Hmm. Now let me clean the cache. I want to clean it. Hmm. So it's clean. Now, when I will click on this delete part, again Ajax will get called. And how it will possible? With the help of, you can see that we have mentioned in the template that we have initially seen. Let me show you the template, which is main, and here in the task underscore row HTML, the like the same way we did for edit, we will do for the delete part. Okay, so you can see that we created a custom class for delete, and also I have taken the ID. We used here model attribute, which is ID, and to take the ID. So with the time we will click on the delete button, it will get the ID of that raw data. So it will be how it will be possible. It will be possible with the help of. Okay, let me first close all this thing. So the time when you will click, Ajax will get called, and what will happen? So it will simply first of all it will prevent the uh, full page reload, because we are using here prevent default function. And then what will happen? It will it we are going to, that means you click on that delete button, so the id will be it will get the id, it will retrieve the id, and it will get it stored in this task underscore id. And how we will we are going to do this? So in the same way we will use a dollar, then this. So this function will refer the same or the current instance, so it will take the same id on that you have clicked. And then we are going to take that data function, and I will pass here the id, which is on mentioned in the module in the model.py, and also we have mentioned in the task underscore rows.html. Okay, so, and actually for this we don't need to take all the things. We will only take the id, and we will take the csrf token. So it's done. We don't need to take all the things like for edit and for add, because actually there we were going to add some data, we were going to uh, update some data. So that's why we required the name description again. But here we just want to delete, so with the help of id we can delete. So what will happen? We did this thing, and if you want a message like a pop-up message that yeah, you are going to delete or something else, so you can mention over in this way. Okay, in this way you can mention. And next we will take the ajax part. So we are inside now ajax part, so we will see the url, and let's go to the urls first. Okay, before that you can see that method will be post and data. In the data we just pass the csrf token, we don't need to pass the id. And now it will go to the url.py, and let's go to the url.py. So actually in it will match that url is exist or not. So let's go to the url.py first in the to do app. Okay, here. So in the url.py you can see that I have mentioned a delete, and again it's taking a params. We are using params here, and task id will be of type integer. So after that it will go to the, where it will go to the view.py. And in the view.py we have taken a function, I mean we have defined the function delete underscore task. This is similar with edit task, slightly different. So again we are taking the delete underscore task function. It will take parameter one, parameter request. Oh, I didn't tell you na that edit underscore task will take two parameter. First will be request, second will be your id. Because why we are taking id? Because it will actually, the work is related with ID. If there will be no ID, then it will not work. So that's why, sorry, we are passing ID over here. Next, so say on the same manner, we will take again the ID. I mean, delete underscore task will take two parameter, request and task ID, and we have also mentioned the types. Initially, the ID will can be none. If you want, you can pass here integer, but initially it will be none. Suppose there is no raw data to delete, so initially it will be none. But when you will click on the delete button, that means that time you have raw data, so it will take ID automatically. Okay, and now we are going to check that method is post, because we are working on post method, so it will be post. And we will take the ID of that that raw data or that task that is already exists, and it will we will take this from where, from our model, that which is task. So it will coming from task model, and it will get stored in the task. And why we are using it, get underscore object underscore or underscore 404, so that if it exists, then it's okay, but if it not exist, then it will handle your error. Smoothly take the ID of the, or you, it is going to pick the ID from the model, and it will store in the task variable. Okay, and after that we will use the delete function, and it will delete your raw data. So again, we want updated list. So for that reason, we will again go for the task underscore object dot all, and it will say, we will save this in the task reference. Okay, so again, you have already know about this, you already know, so we don't need to discuss. If you want, I let me tell you again. We are going to pass this task, and it will directly go to the task underscore raw.html. It will refer to the task underscore raw.html, and then we will save it in the html underscore string, and then it will return me a JSON response. So I will pass this html underscore string in task, and I have a message to pass, and in this way it will work. And your uh, okay, let me show you in here. Actually, in the illustration part, I have already shown you the delete. I mean, I did this. So now again, let me do this. So if I click on this delete button, so you can see that I'm getting a message. Are you sure to delete this stuff? If I click on cancel, then it will be cancelled. But if I click on the OK button, then the task will be deleted, and you will get a message also. So see, task deleted successfully. And how it's happening, so let me show you in the Ajax part, that after getting the data, what will happen, successful work. So you can see that I have already deleted. So this is just taking the acknowledge part, that will pass you message that yes, you have successfully deleted the message. And again, it will return you the updated list. That's why I have mentioned over here, it will return you the updated list. Okay, and if there is any error, then you can see that this message, you will get this message, failed to delete a task. But it is working smoothly, there is no problem. So up to this, we will keep up to this in this video, and in the next video we will discuss the complete part. Okay, that means the status, it is completed or not completed. So thank you for watching this video, and stay happy and healthy, and keep practice.